Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. In today's video we are going to make some very easy coconut macaroons. These are crispy on the outside and chewy in the inside. First, take 2 large egg whites. Into that add half a cup of sugar. Beat them for 3 to 4 minutes till it gets creamy and all the sugar dissolves. If you have not subscribed to Cooking Craves, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more amazing recipes in the future. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of flour and 1/4 teaspoon of corn flour. Then beat for a few more seconds till thoroughly combined. Now add 2 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut and mix well. Now keep this mixture in the freezer for 15 minutes. Preheat the oven at 175 degrees Celsius. Line a tray with baking paper. Now scoop out 1½ tablespoons of the coconut mixture and place them on the tray, making a dome shape. Now bake these in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Your kitchen is sure to smell amazing now. After 25 minutes, our macaroons are done. And this smells so good. Heat some water in a pan. Once it starts simmering, place a bowl of chocolates over it. This is 100 grams. Then turn off the flame and stir it till almost all the chocolate is melted. Then remove from the pan. Then dip the cool macaroons into the melted butter. Keep for a few minutes till the chocolate sets before serving. These coconut macaroons taste amazing even without the chocolate. Do try this recipe and tell how it turned out. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.